Welcome to the Galaxy simulation. In this simulation, your task is to identify an unknown celestial object by observing the emissions from this object using various parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Please note and record the 12-character code displayed in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. The simulation opens with the celestial object in the middle of the screen being displayed using the X-ray band of the electromagnetic spectrum. The bottom part of the screen provides information on the various parts of the spectrum, in this case X-rays. After observing the object in the X-ray spectrum, select and view the object in the ultraviolet, visible, infrared, and then radio portions of the spectrum. Make sure to write detailed notes on your observations. Next, select the Spectral Scanner button for display of the major elements present in the emissions from the celestial object. Again, note the elements present in the object. After completing your observations, select the Astronomical Database button in the middle of the screen and review the features of the various celestial objects. If you need to recheck any of your previously collected data, simply select any of the electromagnetic spectrum or spectral scanner buttons. Once you're ready to identify the object, select the Analysis Complete button on the left-hand side of the screen. Select your choice of the object you identified, and then select the Check Answer button or submit your object choice and the 12-character code to your teacher. If you need to collect additional information, select the Previous Screen button to return to the prior screen and make additional observations.